If you need help with your website, hosting, billing, or any account issue, contacting Bluehost support through live chat is one of the fastest ways to get assistance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reach a real support agent step by step so you can get answers quickly without wasting time searching around. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using the email address and password linked to your hosting plan. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the top area of the page for the question mark icon. This is usually where Bluehost places its help and support options, so keep an eye out for it. When you find the question mark, click it. A support menu should appear, and from there, choose Chat Support. This opens the support chat window where you can begin speaking with Bluehost's virtual assistant. At first, you'll usually be connected to a bot, and that's completely normal. Now type in your issue clearly and let the bot know that you want to connect with a live agent. You can say something simple like, "I need help from a live support representative," or "Please connect me to a human agent." The goal here is to move past the automated responses and request a real person directly. After that, the system may ask you to confirm or click Connect. Go ahead and follow the prompts until the connection is made. In some cases, there may be a short wait while Bluehost finds an available agent, so be patient while the chat loads. Once you're connected, the live support representative will join the conversation. At that point, explain your issue as clearly as possible. If needed, include important details such as your account email, domain name, or anything related to the problem you're having. If they ask for verification details, provide the requested information so they can help you faster. A good tip is to keep your explanation short but specific. For example, instead of saying something is wrong, say exactly what you're trying to fix, like a billing question, login issue, domain problem, or website error. The clearer you are, the quicker they can point you in the right direction, and that's really all there is to it. Once you know where to click, contacting Bluehost support live chat is pretty straightforward. Just log in, open the question mark menu, start chat support, ask for a live agent, and then explain your issue once you're connected. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your Bluehost issue resolved.